This is a video to show you how to terminate a Cat6 data cabling patch panel. Take the stripping tool and strip off the outer plastic sleeve. Repeating for each cable. Separate out the inner cable cores. Cutting out the central plastic divider. You will notice the cable core and panel colors match. Start to separate the 4 cable pairs, and place onto the panel in position 1. Untwist the pair just enough to slot into the termination slots, and place securely. Ensure that both colors match the panel. Continue and do the same for the 3 remaining color pairs. Continue with the second cable in position 2. Once again securing the cable pairs into place by color code. Once in place, terminate all cables with a punch-down tool. Ensure you hear a distinct termination click. The tool should automatically cut off the spare cable. Take the panel management bar, and connect to the panel. Place the cables onto the management bar. Secure all cables to panel management bar with a cable tie. Finally, cut off any cable tie slack. Double-check color coding. For further assistance or a free survey, please email or call on the details below, and click like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video.